In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Telegram support effectively if you're encountering a common issue, specifically if you find that your phone number is banned. This can be a frustrating situation, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of handling it smoothly. First, open your web browser and head straight to the Telegram support page by typing in telegram.org/support. Once you've landed on this page, you'll see a form you need to fill out to get in touch with their support team. Start by focusing on the section labeled Support, where you'll describe the problem you're experiencing. Here's a suggested way to phrase your message clearly and concisely. Begin with a friendly yet formal greeting, such as, "Hello, Telegram support." It's important to be precise and courteous at the same time. Then explain your issue, stating, "My phone number," followed by your actual phone number, currently shows the error, "This phone number is banned," when I try to log in. If you have a Telegram username, this is the place to mention it, using the format "My Telegram username is," followed by your username. Next, you should provide some context regarding your last usage of the account. Mention the date you last accessed it and the device and operating system you were using. For example, you might say, "I last used this account on," insert date, "from," followed by the device and OS details. Providing this information helps support to identify your account more quickly and accurately. Now, it's crucial to assure Telegram that the ban could be an error on their part. Emphasize that you believe the ban might be a mistake, and clarify that you don't send spam, nor have you intentionally violated Telegram's terms of service. To support your claim, make sure to attach a screenshot of the error message if possible. Screenshots can offer visual confirmation, assisting the support team in understanding your situation better. Close your message by politely asking for a review of your account and requesting guidance on how to restore access. Express gratitude for their assistance, which can be as simple as saying, "Thank you for your help." Below this message, fill out your full legal name to ensure Telegram knows who they are dealing with. Then, provide an active email address where they can reach you. For example, user@gmail.com, as well as your phone number starting with the country code. Remember, use the number that's currently banned, as this is critical for resolving your issue. Finally, after double-checking all the information for accuracy, hit the Submit button. This simple action will send your request off to Telegram's support team. By following these steps, you'll enhance your chances of getting a timely response and hopefully a successful resolution to your problem. Good luck, and thank you for watching.